Looking for a reliable orbital shaker without breaking the budget? Meet the Grant-bio PSU-10i, fully refurbished and performance-checked by Galileo Scientific. With a variable speed range from 50 to 450 RPM, this versatile shaker ensures uniform mixing with a smooth orbital motion of 10 millimeters. Perfect for a wide range of lab applications. Its digital control and built-in timer, ranging from 1 minute to an impressive 96 hours, give you precision and flexibility for any experiment. Plus, it's designed for continuous operation with ultra-low noise levels. Need adaptability? The PSU-10i is compatible with multiple platform accessories, so you can mix different vessel types effortlessly. With a durable aluminum body and a brushless motor for maintenance-free performance, this shaker is built to last. Lightweight, compact and powered for 220-240 volts, it fits seamlessly into any lab setup. Every unit is carefully reviewed, reconditioned and serviced by our experts, so you get top performance at a fraction of the cost. Upgrade your lab today with the Grant-bio PSU-10i from Galileo Scientific. Affordable, reliable, ready for your research.